Hello everyone, welcome from Bangladesh. This is the evening time in my country, and I just finished my full day working time. Though I'm not doing any job, but I'm doing everything from my responsibility, and now I'm making my daily blog as a Shopify developer. So stay connected, we'll share everything very soon. Yeah, this is the actual scenario of my village where I live. But as I decided to be a full-time content creator, create uh, wild content, and my first rules is that make content first, then think about the perfection. So that's why I started in the evening time, almost very drag everywhere. But this is something like determination, and I know it's not look so good, but I want to make a single video every day relevant to lifestyle, career, and how I am improving my career from scratch without any investment, like invest for a business, just hard work and a big dream. And now I almost on the lighting space everywhere, so lighter, and I hope you can see. So this is a basically vlog video. I want to stay warm all of my audience, and let me show you the evening time. So this is the current situation of my village in the evening time. Everyone are almost going to home, and everyone sleep earlier in the village of Bangladesh. So this is the actual scenery. So I just trying to show you everything, my daily life, my environment, from where I started making video, making my career, online business, and right now everything possible if you have electricity. This is actually an electricity line, and if you have internet, then it's really possible. So there's things actually I'm trying to grow in my life, and from now I decided I share everything. So here is another scenario you can see. Okay, so let me show you everything in here. Everywhere working in this place. This is like almost dry car are going to drag everywhere because this is the evening time, but I want to show you something different. Going to my village market. It's very near of my home, and taking some clip every day, and the weather is feel good because this is the evening time, and actually in the evening time weather become a little bit cold, then warmer, and let's go and share everything. Here in the tree stall of my village, and in the evening, lots of people gathering in here, and the first the leisure time, and especially this actually enjoyable time for every village people. So here is the village coffee, and then I am walking on the others route. In here, I will find others friendly people and some of my younger brothers, uh, from whom I actually pass my time in playing football and also discussing other things like career and our daily activities, everything. And it's really enjoyable time. So he's one of very close, and I like very much her football skill, and we're actually joking each others and enjoying the time. So this is the real life experience of my as a freelancer, online entrepreneur, and Shopify developer. So it's time to go back, and here looks fully dark, and I'm going to home right now. So thank you so much. See you.